Hi guys, Marieta here, and in today's video I want to talk about how to kill procrastination. Coming up. Alright guys, welcome if you're new to my channel. Make sure to subscribe, hit that bell notification button, and let's get started. Today I want to talk about how to kill procrastination because I know that many of you procrastinate. I procrastinate, and I want to share with you my tip that helped me to stop, in fact, kill procrastination and really make things happen in my life and in my business. So here's the deal. Every time we want to procrastinate, we feel like we want to procrastinate, we don't want to do things that are on our checklist. It's because the ego part of you is trying to stop you, sabotage you, especially when it comes to new things. We want to do things that are safe, and for ego, everything that is not familiar doesn't feel safe. Every time you're stepping outside of the box, you're creating new business, you want to do new YouTube channel, you want to start writing a book, you want to start working out on daily basis, it feels uncomfortable. It's a new habit that you need to create. Your ego doesn't want to create this new habit. So here is what I do. I realized that procrastination is simply just another habit. So for me to kill procrastination properly, I decided to create another habit, and that is to kill procrastination. So what do I mean by this? Is basically whenever I feel like I don't want to do something, I become aware. I become aware that this is something I don't want to do. I feel resistance within me, and because I feel resistance, purposely, consciously, being aware of this resistance, I choose to do it anyway. I choose to do it anyway. And when you do it anyway, despite the fact that you don't feel like it, you will actually overcome that habit. And in your brain, literally, you lay new neural pathways. So you are creating a new habit. And when you do this for 21 days, you create a brand new habit. So how is this brand new habit going to look like? It will look like whenever you don't feel like doing it, you will actually do it, because this is going to be new habit that you created. It's going to be new neural pathway in your brain suddenly telling you to do it even though you don't feel like it. And it's very, very powerful because first you have to force yourself. For 21 days you have to force yourself, but then because you are creating new habit, different neural pathway in your brain, it's going to feel effortless. And after 21 days, you have created new habit of doing things despite the fact you don't feel like it. And more you do that, you will be actually, when you look back in the future, you will see how much you actually accomplished, how much you achieved because you started to do this on daily basis. So it's really about those small steps that we do on daily basis that will create big results. It's nothing else but small daily steps, one day at a time, that will take you to your destination. It doesn't happen any other way. And so if you are the big thinker, you are the big achiever, and you want to achieve big things, or whatever that is that you want to achieve, whether you want to improve your health, you want to start working out, you want to start a business, you want to improve your income, whatever that is, it can be done by taking daily actions and implementing these small steps every single day, especially those things that you don't feel like doing. Those things that you don't feel like doing will make the biggest impact in your business and in your life. So I can give you example, I can share my story with you. You probably heard this many times. But when I was writing my book, Love is the Law, and this is, by the way, Slovak version of my book, which was launched literally a couple of weeks ago. This is my English version. But when I was writing this book, I probably was in the middle of writing and I just stopped. I had this writer's block. I didn't want to carry on. And it was because suddenly I had this judgment within me coming up to the surface that was literally creating resistance, and I didn't want to carry on. I didn't want to proceed. I didn't want to finish this writing because I felt that people will judge me and so on. So I just created space for me to meditate a little bit and let things go, and then I decided to take every single day just a small step towards my goal. And I would just write whatever comes through me, and it was suddenly effortless because I created new habit, the habit of removing the resistance. But the way you remove resistance is not that you fight resistance. You have to be gentle with yourself, actually. You have to love yourself. So whenever you have these thoughts that are telling you not to do something because you're not good enough, or, feeling uncomfortable doing certain things, trust me, it's your ego trying to sabotage you, trying to stop you. And that exactly is the moment when you have to love yourself more. Not beat yourself up, but actually love yourself more for feeling it. And then just do it anyway. And I promise you, if you create this new habit of doing things even though you don't feel like it, you're going to succeed. You're going to succeed. You will reach your destination. You will actually manifest these dreams into reality. Because the process of manifestation is really, one thing is to have the vision, desire, alignment, you have to let go, but also you have to take action. And that is so important. Things don't happen when we don't take action. You can't really manifest anything if you don't take action. And I would even say daily action and small action, like that invisible action nobody sees behind the scene. Only you know what you're doing. Those things will actually create big results, like these books, which you can see in material world as a result of those tiny steps that I took over the years. Nobody saw it, but I knew what I did. So guys, I hope that this helps. Let me know what you guys think. What are you procrastinate about? Share with me below this video. And I'm also going to be throwing a bunch of resources for you below this video. You can find it everywhere there. And if you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe and hit that bell notification button so you are notified every time I release new content. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I'll see you soon. Bye.